Welcome back, my dear friends. Today I'm gonna tell about you anchor tag. Okay. In previous lecture, we will discuss about special tag, something like bold tag, how it's work. Okay. So in this lesson, link. Okay. So don't waste time. Start here. Anchor tag. Anchor tag. Link. Link. That means link. Okay. Links are found in nearly all the web pages. Link allow user to click their way from page to page. Okay, there is some link when you visit any website. When you click on the link, okay, it will open the next page. Okay, simply I just add here a tag. Okay, it is also called elements. Both are equal. Okay, simply I just add here at some attributes here. Okay, href. Okay, I just add here some url. Close the a tag. Simply I just you can write anything. Okay, I just write click me. Yeah. Okay, I save the code. Save. I want to save here. I want to save here. Okay, desktop anchor tag stay. Okay, save here. Simply double click. Okay, it is open. Click here. Just go to the URL. URL just that means address. Okay, path. I want to display when you click on the link. Okay, I want to display laptop here. Okay, simply right click here, scroll down, go to the properties, and it will open some dialog box this time. Okay, see here location. Okay, simply copy here, control C, and I just clear, control V to paste, forward slash. Okay, what's the name of the file? File name is S. Okay, what is the type of the image? Image type is JPG. There are different type of images. Okay, file name is 7. Okay, simply save here, go to the Google Chrome and refresh the page. When you click on the link, it will open. Okay, it is working. Okay, okay, you can also you can add here anything. Okay, you just add a file name. You just add something like image name. Okay, anything you can put here. Okay, simply I just add here file name. I already add here location. Okay, I need only file name. File name is transform. Which type? This type is HTML type. Okay, transform dot html. That means if you go to the properties, open dialog box, file name is transform and type is HTML dot HTML. That means extension is HTML. So I just write here HTML. Okay, here. So Control S to save and refresh the page. Window okay. When you click on the link, click on the link, it will open the pages. Okay. Okay. Back here. There are various type of attributes. Add here. I want to add here v-link. V-link. Add here some color. I want to add red color. Okay. If I am add a link, double quotes here, yellow. Control S to save and refresh the page. Okay, here you see red color. When you v-link, that means when you visit on the link, it will display red color. And when you click on the link, it will show yellow color. Okay, so refresh the page. Here you see red color, right? Red color. When you click on the link, it will show yellow color. Okay, yellow. Text is yellow. Okay, when you click on the link, it will open same page. Okay, nothing I will change. There are various types of attributes. Something like I want to show you uh, target 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 equal to underscore blank blank. Okay, Control S to save, refresh the page. When you click on the link, okay, when you click on the link, it will open next page. Okay, when you click on the link, it will open next page. Okay, here you see, when you click on the link, it will open next page. Okay, there are some attributes. Blank. Another is self self self. That means it will open same page. Okay, refresh the page. If you click on the button, if you click on the link, sorry, if you click on the link, it will open same page. Okay, same page. Okay, back here. Okay, I want to add some content. I want to add some content here. Okay, main word. I want to show something. My friend, if you visit any website, okay, something like scroll down, okay, but when you click on the here, it will open already goes up. Okay, okay, I think you will understand whatever I say. Let's do it. Equal to, then I just add more content. Control is to all select, Control C. Here I want to add anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag. I want to add here href equal to here something like Alan. Okay, I have to close a tag. Okay, here I add here anchor tag. Okay, I want here I add here href attributes, then hash Alan. Okay, go to the bottom. Okay, okay, and I add here a that means anchor tag as close here. Okay, I want to add attributes name. Name attributes. I will tell you, in anchor tag, in an anchor tag, whatever you add here, okay, here it is same copy, okay, and paste here. Okay, Control S to save. Go to the Google Chrome and refresh the page. Wow, there is some content. If I am clicking this link here, okay, go to the bottom. Okay, again you see when you click on the go to the bottom. Okay, it is working. Okay, it is properly working. Okay, so that's it for today class. I hope you fully enjoy it. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Code Chemistry. And okay, goodbye my friends.